So this is the Yineel Men's Beard Trimmer. It's waterproof and it's made for your face, your body, and your nose. It's got precision blades. You can use this to give it as a gift. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. So we're getting ready to do a quick unboxing and we're going to talk about it. And then at the end, we're going to demonstrate how it actually works. The first thing I always make mention of is they give you the manual to actually explain everything. That's how the actual unit actually works. And inside the kit, you're going to take this plastic off. You get several attachments. You get this stand here where you would set all your accessories. I'm going to show you how we do that here in a moment. And then this is your shaving stuff. You got your different blade attachments. And then you have your actual trimmer right here, which actually has the nose trimmer or the ear hair trimmer currently attached. So in this box, they give you all your grooming accessories. We're going to open this up and see what's in here. So in here, they give you your little bottle of oil so you can oil the blades on all your attachments. They give you several different types of combs. They give you several different guards when you're cutting your hair. As you can see here, you have different thicknesses as I lay them out here. Now this is rechargeable. It comes with this USB cable, as you can see here. All you do is you plug this into an adapter and then plug it into a standard outlet and then plug the other end of your adapter into the bottom of the shaver. This one comes from the manufacturer. It's a little bit charged, as you can see. And that attachment, pulls right off, as you can see. But just to show you how this works, this fits in here, and you have your different blade attachments, as you can see. That one go in there, that one in there, that one there, that one, and this one's kind of unique. And then that one can go in there. And then all you do is choose which combs you want to sit here. They lock right in place here. They also give you this little brush. So once you're done shaving, all you do is brush the hair out of it, or you can just take this off and run it under some water and rinse it off and clean it. But again, as you can see, the heads are pretty simple to attach. All you do is you slide it on like that, push the button, pull it off. Do the same with this attachment here. Put it on. Now this one here would be more for shaving a beard or shaving your scalp. Again, pull it off. So you guys can see how this set works. And again, as you can see, it gives you several different blade attachments to choose from. This one you can use to line your beard or to line your edge of your hair. And then these combs here you would use if you were doing your mustache or you were shaving your beard. And one of the advantages to this is you can just set it right on your bathroom sink area and set it off to the side. You already have everything ready for you to use. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take the actual shaver. We're going to remove this blade here. I'm going to shut it on. See what I use your brush. Or you can rinse it off underwater. So that kind of gives you the idea of how this particular head attachment works. But this one here is for your nose and your ears. So we're going to do my ear. And if you have nose hairs, so if you're looking for a good, what I think is a quality beard, hair, face, nose, ear trimmer, I think this is pretty good quality. So click the link, check it out, read up a little bit more about it, and if you think it's going to benefit you, purchase you one. I'm going to put the link right down below.